just takes a few steps to configure the DMG800, connected in a serial network via RS485 to the gateway data logger. Press Menu, select the language by entering Setup and then Utility. In the Communication field, identify the installed communication port COM1. In this case, connected to the EXP1012 expansion. Set the serial node number like this, making sure you always assign a unique number. In this example, we have selected 2. You also have to select the baud rate. Select 38400. Finish the configuration by pressing the menu button until the device restarts.